New Jersey officials say they will deploy military trucks to serve as polling places on Election Day in storm-battered communities and are also extending the deadline for mail-in ballots. The trucks will be parked at polling places that don't have power. Republican Secretary of State and Lieutenant Governor Kim Gododno said Thursday county clerks' offices have been ordered to remain open this weekend to help process mail-in ballots. The deadline for when clerks may accept mail-in ballot applications was extended until the close of business Friday. Voters must get them back. Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased by no later than the close of the polls Tuesday. Gododno says it's unclear how many of the state's 3,000 polling places have electricity, but she'll know better Friday. More than 1.7 million electric customers are without power.